Okay, so this is an overview of my new washer. I really like it, and it's which I got today. Really love this Hotpoint machine. You got the big WMA drum. Really love it. I wonder what that noise is. And you got detergent drawer. And got pre-wash, main wash, fabric conditioner. Then you got your start button, which you use it to turn on. You got cottons 40, 60, 95, acrylics 40, acrylics 50, machine washable wool 40, silks 30, hand wash 30, fast wash 35 degrees, rinse and spin, cotton synthetic rinse and spin, fast spin, slow spin. 1400 spin, add rinse, favorite program button, which basically stores your favorite program. You got how dirty, which sets the soil level, pre-wash, mini load, reduce creases, which I think you can only select on synthetics, rinse hold, time saver, and fast forward. And you got time delay, which we'll do 20 hours. Child lock. 5.5 kilogram drum. I really love it. And fast wash. I'll definitely film this. So detail about this machine. Got this off eBay on Thursday for 50 quid, and I love it. And the reason why I got it I must admit I would prefer a 1600 RPM version, but the reason why I got this is because there was a WMA Ultima in that sexy zircon silver colour in Manchester, and there wouldn't be one popping up for another while, so this is why I decided to go for this.